Tell us your name and tell us your project.
My name is Arthur Ellington. While I was the secretary of the Royal Astronomical Society in England, I received a letter explaining Einstein's theory of relativity. After understanding it, I became obsessed with it, and I wanted to prove this theory.
What were you guys trying to do or find?
One of my passions in life involves astronomy. I spent most of my life observing and gathering data from the universe. But in my opinion, the most important thing I did was trying to prove Einstein's theory of relativity.
Where did the project or experiment occur?
Since I was a member of the Royal Astronomical Society, we had the funding to travel to places and observe galactic bodies and phenomena. Some locations where I was involved in observations include Greenwich, Malta, Brazil, and the most important one in the African island of Principe.
What other events were happening around the world at that time?
I started to work in the field of astronomy in the year of 1906 and worked in this field till the mid-1930s. At this time, the most important historical event that was going on was World War I and the Reconstruction period after the war. This period, although was filled with scientific discoveries, was slowed down because of the war.
Who else was involved in the project?
I mostly worked by myself, but tried to prove other theories that were being postulated by other scientists. Some of these were Albert Einstein's, James Hopwood, and Edwin Hubble's theories.
What was your role in the project?
I was the lead investigator and observer. I would take pictures and record data of my observations from the universe.
What impact did your project have on the physics community?
Well, my most notable contribution to science was a lifetime of stars. After many years of observations, I was able to postulate how stars work, how they need equal gravitational pressure compared to a nuclear reaction and gas pressure to be at equilibrium. Also, I postulated the lifespan stages and workings of stars.
Did you fight in World War I?
Well, I am a Quaker and a believer of peace. Thankfully, I was not enlisted for the Great War because of my scientific discoveries and breakthroughs. I was too valuable for the scientific community. Thank you.
All right.